Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're dive in. iOS 18.5 Beta 2 is out, and while Apple didn't make a big deal about it, there are some changes you definitely need to know. 5 to be exact. Some are smart upgrades and others feel like quiet downgrades. Let's break it all down. Starting with the Mail app. Apple made subtle layout improvements that actually make navigation better. When you tap the three dots in the top right corner, you'll now see a new list view option. It disables the tab layout and switches you to a cleaner, traditional scroll style. There's also a new toggle that hides contact photos from your inbox. If you're into a more minimal look, this change is perfect for you. Now let's talk about back tap. In previous versions, it was easy to accidentally trigger it without realizing. But now, a subtle banner appears at the top of the screen when it activates, so you know it worked. To turn it on, go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, then scroll down to back tap. You'll find a new option called Show Banner. Just toggle it on. That's what's new in iOS 18.5 Beta 2. Smart tweaks, small surprises, and one or two odd changes that Apple didn't exactly spotlight. Let us know in the comments which change you liked or didn't. And if this helped you stay in the loop, hit like and subscribe for more iOS updates, only here on our channel.